So I did a short video on the fuses in the battery box. I won't start. And to further elaborate on that, you check them fuses and they're not burnt up, and you check the harness. You move right back here to these plugs right here. It says powers. See if I can get some light in here. Okay. Those plugs there. This is power. And this one's ground. And if you unplug them and check and make sure, because these plugs, these terminals spread apart and they start arcing and they will melt the plug on both sides. The way we fix that is to generally pull them back, just cut the plug out of it and wire solid, because this is the power feed to your and the ground to your ECM and your IDM. Getting these apart can be a little bit of a pain sometimes, but if you pull them, this is your power, here's your ground, and these go into one harness and they connect further down under the truck there. And as they run down under the truck and up by the starter, there's another plug. And we'll go around, see if I can show you that plug. That's over here. We can get over here, show you this plug. See, here's all your wires coming, and the plugs right up there. So these are all zip tied together, but their plug is right up inside there, inside all them zip ties. I don't know if you can't see it very well on this phone, but it looks just like the other plugs at the battery box. And if you unplug that and check it, sometimes that can be causing a no start due to the plug being burnt out, just like in the battery box. And the way to fix them is to wire around them. Just take the plug out and rewire it. That's the power feed to your ECM and IDM on an International. And yeah, that's all I got for you for now.